Script function to check if there is strange IP which is not in whitelisted, in Python.
I have a log file which looks like this.
How do you check if there is an outsider IP trying to access your server in Python? The output of the scripts made to extract the strange IP or raise some flags or etc. I only able to create this so far, and it only raised true or false if you passed an IP that match with IP in
text.
If I try it to my logs,
it will return false.
Based on my understanding of the question, you have two inputs: a file that contains a list of whitelist IP addresses, a file that contains the logs, auth_filter.log. I am assuming that your whitelist file looks something like this. I modified your auth_filter.log sample data to create a few IPs that are not part of the whitelist IPs. My auth_filter.log file looks as follows. Note here that I have two IPs that are not in the whitelist. They are 10.148.0.15 and 10.148.0.16. The code to extract all the IPs that are not in the whitelist is as follows. Output.
Assuming your log.txt and whitelist.txt is in the directory you're running the Python code, regex would be your friend. In Python you import it via import re. Extract IPs from log file. Extract whitelisted IPs from log file. Check IPs against whitelist.